Hello there guys, in this video I'll show you how to make this infographic. Make sure to subscribe. So let's start. You can download this for free from the link in the description below. So what you have to do is go to shapes and insert around a kind of rectangle, and then we are just going to duplicate it using Ctrl plus D, and then we are just going to put it into the middle in the center. Now select that rectangle that is outside, and you're going to change its fill out. You have to change this outline fill to about golden and black. Give it a gradient. Now let's decrease the size of this blue rectangle, and then we are just going to put a gradient on it. Let's just give the gradient fill of brown and yellow to the inner rectangle and group these shapes, and then let's just decrease their size. Here we go. Now we're just gonna make double copies of it, and then flip the other one like horizontally and put it right here like this. Make 6 copies of it, and make sure that all of them are aligned. There we go. Next we're gonna add this shape, and then insert a circle in it. You have to give an outline of like golden color to the other one. Yeah, done. You have to make sure that you add another shape in it, and make sure that you do not like put a fill into it. You have to just give it a color. Yeah, then we're just gonna make more shapes, and yeah, we have to change the colors. Yeah, we did it. Now it is time to give animation. Perfect. Now let's just give it a fill. Make sure that you give the right animations as I have done. Yeah, done. So yeah, after giving it the animations, this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Let's see you in another video soon.